There are specific zones, area in which market participants, such as institutions, usually place their orders. And these zones where institutions place their orders is what we refer to as order block. So in this zone, you will discover a series of orders which result into price movement. This area acts as major turning point that influence future direction of the market. And most often, this zone serves as support and resistance. I am Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. In this video, we want to discuss about order block and we want to see how you can find a high probability trade by understanding what order block is all about as far as trading the financial market is concerned. So let's go into the proper view of our chart, and I don't intend this video to be long. So our goal number one is how do we identify order block? Now for you to identify and trade a valid order block, you need to know the direction of the market. You need to understand the direction of the market. So a bullish order block is the last bearish candle before the bullish move. Okay, what I'm trying to say in essence is this: here on this particular candle, on this chart, price has been making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high. Then at this zone we have a break of structure here. Price break through this previous higher low and closes down, which gave us a break of structure. So we need, for a break of structure to happen, it means there is a significant move of order that was able to break through and to bring about a change of market direction. It means a very big lot has come into this buy higher high here. For it to be able to change this market direction to a sell from a buy. So as such, the last bearish candle that we have, we can verify that this is a valid order block because of the significant change it brought into the market. So the order block should be capable of taking a low or a high. The order block should be capable of taking a liquidity either from the upside or from the downside. So for a break of structure, this bearish order block was able to take the liquidity of this higher low. So now we'll this particular order block. So this candle now you are seeing up there is our order block. So this last bearish candle, this green candle you are seeing is our order block. So a bearish order block is the last bullish candle, and if you look at this candle, this is the last bullish one before a bearish move, before this bearish move that break this structure is our order block. So this is the order block, and what it means that it contains the order of sellers at this zone, and order blocks is what is responsible for support and resistance. It is this point of order blocks that we have our support and resistance. So having this order block, how do we now, we said now you need to identify the trend. So we have now identified our trend as a downtrend because of this break of structure. Then we have marked out this order block, which is our last bullish candle, as our order block. This is a live market scenario. Then what is the next point? Number 2, now we want to observe price behavior around this zone of our order block for us to make our entry. And look at what happened. Price now came back this downside and pulled back into this order block that we have marked. You can see it. You see how price pull into that order block, and then once price move into this order block, it means, and it get rejected, is a confirmed zone for our entry. So we look for a candlestick formation. You can see this hammer, then followed by this bearish follow-up candle. So you make your entry. Your stop loss is above the high, the previous high, which is above this order block, and then you can see how price plays back into this zone. Even when price still went back up, you will see how price went back there. You can see it for the second time. Price tapped into the zone, couldn't break the order block, and you can see how the price moved massively to the downside. So this is what order block is, and this is how to trade order block. For more confluence, you can pick up your Fibonacci tool and mark out your high and your low. This is our high, and this is our low from this high. And then look at price pullback. You can see now 78.5 zone of our Fibonacci. Price pulled back to that zone and then gave us a very beautiful rejection to the downside, and you see that this price has been going down beautifully. So this is how to identify order block, and this is how to trade order block. So you will see that there is a significant price movement in those zones of our order block. Coming to our previous move of the market, you realize this is an uptrend. This particular move here is an uptrend, and of course this price has, as you can see, price has been giving us higher high, higher low. As you can see here, we have been having a series of, you can see this, a higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So here, look at this move that happens at this zone. Look at this move. You can see this particular bullish candle. So the order block here is the last bearish candle before this bullish move, and the last, so a bullish order block is the last bearish candle before the bullish move, and the last bearish candle is this red candle here. So if we want to do now, we'll now pick up, look at it, and mark that particular candle. And look at what happened. After the move of that price, you can see price pull back into the candle, gave us an evening star candle formation. You can see that price pullback gave us an evening star candle formation. And then look at this bullish move for a confirmation, which shows us that pressure have entered the market. Retail traders cannot move market with such candle. So you see it, and if we put it to this move, you realize that we are having almost even below almost 80 to 90 level. So imagine our stop loss will be very little, and you can see this move to the upside. And then after that, here is our next order block. We are still in a bullish move, so this last bearish candle becomes our order block, and you can see how price return, tap into it, and then it's moving beautifully to the upside. So this is how to take advantage of our order blocks. In a subsequent video, we'll be looking specially how we can combine Fibonacci with this order block strategy in order for us to arrive as a profitable trader in our trading journey. And I believe you have learned something, you have gained value from this video. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you be the first to get notified whenever we publish our next video.